just heard the finance minister rise up to present the budget a couple of hours ago. 9 seems to be the magic number. There were 9 pillars of transformation that the finance minister did discuss on. One of them, coincidentally, happens to be on tax reforms. Within tax reforms, again, 9 specific areas of focus. One of them is about reducing litigation. A few positives which came up as we heard the finance minister present the budget in the House of Parliament. And fortunately, this time there were not too many disturbances and he could have a free run to it. He did defer the place of effective management rules by a year. That was much needed because even the draft guidelines were introduced only as late as in December. He did comment that he would be introducing or taking note of the recommendations of the Ishwar Committee. As we're all aware, a lot of this helps us on the day-to-day stuff in interacting with the practical issues that keep cropping up. There was a long-standing demand by the real estate players and the infrastructure players about abolition of dividend distribution tax. He has made a statement that that will be abolished when SPVs distribute dividends to the REITs and InvITs. One will just have to see how this provision plays out with the provision to levy a 10% additional tax on dividends in the hands of the recipients where the amount of dividends exceeds 10 lakhs. All of the speculation about a reworded or reworked capital gain scheme for listed, unlisted shares has been put to rest. The only benefit that he has mentioned in his speech is about reducing the period of holding for an unlisted share to be considered long-term from 3 years as it presently stood to a period of 2 years. So that's a quick run-up to the important provisions done. It will be useful to read the fine print and see what else is contained therein. The budget speech did not have a mention about GST and fortunately no mention about increase in service tax rates as well. That's all for now. Thanks.